In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Pepperstone MT4. To begin, make sure you have already downloaded the Pepperstone MetaTrader 4 installer from the Pepperstone website or from your client area. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and find the installation file for Pepperstone MT4. Next, double-click the installer to start the setup process. Your operating system may show a prompt asking for permission to let the installer make changes to your device. If that appears, click Yes to continue. After that, the installation window will open. Take a moment to review the installation settings. If you want to use the default location, you can leave everything as it is. If you prefer to install MetaTrader 4 in a different folder, choose your preferred installation location before moving on. When you are ready, click Next or Install to begin the installation. The installer will then copy the required files and set up MetaTrader 4 on your computer. This part may take a few moments, so wait until the process finishes completely. Once the installation is done, click Finish to close the installer. After that, launch MetaTrader 4 using the shortcut on your desktop or by opening it from the Start menu. When the platform opens, look for the option that says Log in to Trade Account and select it. You will then need to enter your Pepperstone MT4 account credentials in the Login window. Make sure the details are entered correctly, then continue to log into your account. After you sign in, check that your trading account is connected properly. You should be able to see that the platform is active and ready to use. This confirms that the installation was successful and that your Pepperstone MT4 account is set up on the platform. If everything looks correct, you are now ready to start using MetaTrader 4 with your Pepperstone account. You can begin exploring the platform, viewing charts, and accessing your trading tools. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.